Hey there. Struggling to shed those stubborn pounds? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into some game-changing methods to kickstart your weight loss journey. Before we jump in, remember, your body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding what clicks for you. Ready? Let's go. 10 methods to break through your weight loss plateau. Method 1. Mindful eating. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. 1. Put away distractions. 2. Chew slowly and savor each bite. 3. Listen to your body's hunger cues. Try this. Take a small bite of your next meal and really focus on the flavors and textures. You might be surprised at how satisfying it can be. Method 2. Sleep your way to slimness. Let's talk sleep. Skimping on shut-eye can sabotage your weight loss efforts. It messes with hunger hormones, increases cravings for high-calorie foods, and lowers motivation to exercise. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your waistline will thank you. Method 3. Strength training. Superhero time to pump some iron. Strength training isn't just for bodybuilders. It builds lean muscle mass, boosts metabolism, and improves insulin sensitivity. Don't worry, you won't bulk up overnight. Start with bodyweight exercises or light weights and gradually increase as you get stronger. Method 4. Gut health is wealth. Let's talk about your gut. It's like a second brain that influences your weight and cravings. 1. Eat fiber-rich foods. 2. Include fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi. 3. Limit artificial sweeteners. A happy gut can lead to fewer cravings and better digestion. It's like having tiny weight loss allies in your belly. Method 5. Stress less. Way less. Chronic stress is the uninvited guest at your weight loss party. When stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, increasing appetite and cravings. 1. Try meditation or deep breathing. 2. Get moving. Exercise is a great stress buster. 3. Connect with friends and loved ones. Remember, caring for yourself isn't selfish, it's essential for your weight loss journey. Method 6. Protein power. If your meals leave you hungry an hour later, it's time to beef up your protein intake. It keeps you feeling full longer. It burns more calories during digestion. It preserves muscle mass. Aim to include a source of lean protein in every meal. Your body will thank you. Method 7. Rethink your drink. Sometimes, the culprit isn't on your plate, it's in your glass. Liquid calories are sneaky. Water is your best friend. Watch out for hidden sugars in drinks. And here's a little secret. Try not to go over 25 grams of added sugar. You'll thank me later. 5. Limit alcohol intake. Try infusing your water with fruits or herbs for a flavor boost without the calories. Method 8. The 80-20 rule. Perfectionism can derail your progress. Enter the 80-20 rule. Eat nutritious foods 80% of the time, and allow some flexibility for the other 20%. This rule helps you avoid the all-or-nothing mentality, allows for social events and treats, and creates a sustainable lifestyle. Remember, one cookie won't make you gain weight, just like one salad won't make you lose it. It's about consistency over time. Method 9. Track your progress, beyond the scale. The scale doesn't tell the whole story. Here are other ways to track your progress. 1. Take body measurements. 2. Notice how your clothes fit. 3. Track energy levels and mood. 4. Take progress photos. Sometimes the biggest changes aren't reflected on the scale. Method 10. Find your why. Lastly, dig deep and find your true motivation for wanting to lose weight. Is it to have more energy? To feel confident? To improve your health? Whatever it is, keep that reason front and center. When the going gets tough, your why will keep you going. And there you have it, 10 methods to try when the scale seems stuck. Remember, You're not just losing weight, you're gaining health, energy, and confidence. Which method are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, keep moving and stay awesome.